All right, next up is what's your take on swing trading or positional trading as an income source? Can retail traders stand a chance against algorithm trading? Yeah, please don't trade. It's a recipe for disaster. More people go bankrupt from trading than most markets. Don't do it, please. What's the name of one successful trader that's been successful in the long run? What's the name of that person? They don't exist. This is a great book written by Nassim Nicholas Taleb. It says Fooled by Randomness, okay? The hidden role of chance in the markets and in life. And Taleb basically said that you cannot make money trading because a lot of random stuff occurs that makes you money or loses your money. And I agree with that completely. It's like a casino. You know, you can't make money every month because every month has 20 weekdays, which means 20 trading days. And stocks go up and down in the near term based on stuff that's random and outside of our control. You know, like saber rattling between two big countries with trade wars or whatever it is. You can't control that. You can't control. And the worst thing that can happen to you is you start day trading and you make money, because then you might get overconfident. It's like going to a casino and you walk in and first time in your life you put a quarter into a slot machine made by IGN. Wheel of Fortune ones are the most fun. And you win $100. That's the worst thing that can happen to you, because you get confident, overconfident, and think you can do it again. It's chaos. You cannot make money trading. I promise you. You will get burned in the long run. And I teach my MBA students to look at fundamentals first, valuation second, and if you're going to look at technicals, make it a distant third. A distant third, yeah.